And today we got something kind of neat, kind of special, cutting boards. But you're probably thinking, well, what's so neat and what's so special about a cutting board? Well, this is a whole set of cutting boards, and I'm going to show you what makes them neat and different. Let's open them up. I'm going to show them to you, and then we'll talk about it. All right. And this is what they look like. How cool are these? And you don't get just one, not two, not three, not four, not five, but 6 cutting boards all together. Look at all these colors. And you're probably thinking, what do I need 6 cutting boards for? And I'm going to show you why you need 6 cutting boards. This one is for chicken. This one, the purple one, is for bread. The red one is for beef. The blue one is for fish. The yellow is for fruit. And the green is for vegetables. And the reason why they do it that way, it is to prevent cross-contamination. If you are preparing chicken, you know you have to cook chicken very well because of the potential of E. coli. Well, you don't necessarily have that problem with beef, but if you cut up chicken on this board and hang it, then the next day you come back and you put beef on it and cut it, well, you can possibly contaminate your beef. So it's good to have a cutting board for each type of food. How cool is that? Now you're going to also notice that these cutting boards have a smooth side, which is the outside, but they also have a very nice texture design on the inside, and that is to make it grippy and non-slip. So when you're cutting stuff up, it's not going to slide all over the cutting board and try to get away from you. And you might also be wondering, why are these thin? Well, these are made for, of course you can use them in your home, but they're also great for camping and travel and picnics and hiking. If you're bringing your food with you, you say you catch a fish in the river and you need to cut it up, it would be nice to have this in your backpack so you're not just sawing a fish on a rock or on the ground, right? Well, you're also probably thinking, well, that's kind of big for me to be carrying around, right? Well, guess what? They're foldable. That's right. To be stored away and compact for tents, backpacks, campers especially, you can fold these for easy storage and transport. That's a very, very nice feature. Now you will see that on the corner here that you have a hole, and that is the easy hang design. So after you wash them, you have a way to hang them to let them drip dry. And you can also, for instance, if you wanted to, you could just group them all together and hang them all on the same hook. Very cool. Now they are BPA free. They are dishwasher safe. Of course, they're knife friendly. You're not going to cut through this. You can cut your fish and veggies up all day long. It's 1.3 millimeters of polypropylene, which is a very, very tough, food grade safe plastic, and much thicker than the typical roll up or thinner, almost like paper thin cutting boards that we always cut through and tear up. This is a much, much better option. And I'll also show you another good benefit about these being foldable. Say you're on your countertop and you cut up all your veggies, and now you have to put the veggies in your pot. You can scoop them and place them, right? Or you can just take your foldable cutting board, fold it in half, and dump everything straight into the pot. How convenient. You're getting a pack of 6 color-coded, foldable, lightweight, travel-friendly, RV-friendly, camping-friendly cutting boards that are going to prevent cross-contamination. They're BPA-free. They're made out of food-grade polypropylene, and they would make an excellent gift for any travelers in your family. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.